So this is the Redwood viscometer. These are the leveling screws, and the first step is to place the viscometer in a flat surface and adjust these screws. You can rotate them and adjust them so that it could be leveled. Then let me show you from the top. As you can see, the large container and a small container, we will place the oil for which we want to measure the viscosity in this small container. This large area, this is for the water bath, and if you could see, you can see there is a ring. That ring actually is for the temperature control for this water bath, which will enable us to measure viscosity at various temperature. For the small cylinder, where we will be putting our oil, there is an opening at the bottom which is closed with the help of this rod, which has a stopper bubble at the end, and it fixes completely the orifice opening. So this is the oil for which we want to measure the viscosity. And so let's note down the weight of the empty flask on an electric weighing balance, and as you can see, it is 37 grams. Oil into the viscometer, and we have a pointer till which Zafar Saab will fill this container. This is a pointer, and now we are going to, this is not completely filled, so we have to fill the liquid, so the pointer touches the top level of the liquid. Kindly pour more. डालिए ज़फ़र साहब, और डालिए. So now it's fine. Now it is good to go. So now place that empty flask over here. The space is available, and this can rotate and adjust it till the center of this orifice. Adjust it like this. So now this is the important step. What we have to do is we will lift that rod so that the liquid, it will start pouring into the conical flask, and at the same time we have to switch on this stopwatch. We have to start the stopwatch. Now you can see the liquid, it is flowing into the conical flask. While the stopwatch is on. So we have to collect 50 ml of liquid. This mark is for 50 ml, right? So this has been filled till 50 ml, and the time is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So now let's take the weight of the flask with the liquid, and this is 81.3 grams.